Hey, what's up guys? Week 46 of my journey. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys how to pivot and adapt in your real estate business or any career you're in. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Ben your agent at BenYourAgent.com with the eXp Realty, Aguilar Realty Group. In this video, like I said, I'm going to share with you guys the top 3 ways to adapt and pivot. Let's get right into it. Number 1, you got to trust the process. What are you guys doing right now currently in your real estate business or your any other type of business? What are you doing right now? Well, let me just share with you guys, for me, transparently. So it's Q4 of my real estate business, right? And I've only closed 1 deal, helped the team with a couple deals, and got some lease renters into their home. When I reevaluate my business plan goals, I want to hit 14,000 this year. And so what do I have right now pending? The only thing I have pending in escrow is 1 buyer. And as Ricky Cruz says, if you have anything less than 4 clients, just count it as 0. So I need to re-strategize my game plan. But again, I have to trust the process. And that's what I'm trying to get at you guys right now, is whatever goal you have set for this end of the year, quarter 4, make sure you trust that process. Even though it feels like, man, what you're doing is nothing, I have less than 4, that's really 0. You got to trust the process. So what I do daily is a 100 track sheet, which I shared with you guys in my previous video, is that it has all the high productive activities on there. And I just got to trust the process. Even though I have 1 buyer in escrow, I do have other lease renters that I'm helping out, but I'm plugging away with the people that are in my database, and then I'm just following up with them, and then I need to prospect to get more. So that is number 1, trusting the process. Number 2, you have to have a forward mindset. What does that mean, forward mindset then? It means you have to think Q1 right now, right? So most high productive activities are being actually harvesting so that you can reap the benefits in Q1. So what are you doing right now will get you to Q1's results. You know, it's so easy to just focus on the now and what I don't have and what I need to do now. But with that forward mindset, it's going to help you see the future goals and at the same time hit what they are when you are doing something that you're unsure of. So it boosts your confidence because you're like, what I'm doing right now is going to lead me to my Q1 goals. So really my Q1 goals is going to be through 2 sales, at least 2 sales, because last year I did at least 1 sale. So Q1 I want to hit 2 sales. So what do I need to do that? There's an amount of calls that I need to make. There's an amount of people that I need to talk to. And at the end of the day, it's about talking. So talk. No matter what industry you're in, you got to talk. You can have all these systems and tools and you can have a great mindset, but no talking, no moolah. So make sure you're talking and having that forward mindset, guys. And I'm going to close with this. Actually, what's phenomenal is when I look at the statistics this morning, it's crazy for you real estate agents that are like using inventory in this market as an excuse that you're not succeeding. Well, I looked at the inventory market this morning and there's 305 closed deals just as of today, guys. So we need to understand that closing happens every single day. Where do you want to be a part of that? Well, thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. I hope this helps. And if you do like it, please like, share, and comment a little bit about your journey and how you're trusting the processes in your business and how can you continue to develop your forward mindset as closing happens every single day. This has been your agent with eXp Realty, Aguilar Realty Group here in the Los Angeles area. I serve Orange County and Riverside. So if you guys know of anybody that want to buy a home or sell one, reach out to your trustworthy agent, Ben Your Agent. Talk to you guys soon and see you on the next video. Take care.